Hey, hello folks. Today we'll be talking about how we can use Terraform Nocode to deploy the big IP instance on AWS. So typically what happens is that many of the folks, like especially NetOps guys, right, who are not much aware of, maybe who are not, let's say, NetOps or any admin guys who are working on big IP, and they are not aware of Terraform as such. So they can use this no code option of Terraform to deploy big IP, right? So typically what they will do is they will go to Terraform Cloud, and you will see that you have a workspaces here. And then when you go to the registry, you will see these modules, right? So now this is the module where you can deploy a big IP with clicks using Terraform. You don't need to know Terraform as such, right? So typically when you go here, you basically click here, and then you can provision a workspace, right? So you need a workspace because Terraform Cloud uses workspace. So you click on workspace, and here you can specify some of the parameters, things like your subnet from where you are accessing the big IP. So for example, I'm putting this here, then your region and prefix. So you can use this prefix, you can give a prefix here. So for example, I can prefix as SCS maybe 02, and that's pretty much it actually. You just need to specify these three parameters, and and then the workspace name, right? So I'm gonna give workspace as SCS02, and then provide what description you want to give. And then pretty much that's all you need actually. You can just create workspace now, and then you can see that basically the workspace is created. And now what you can do is it's already running, right? So if you go to view runs, you can see that it is already no code provisioning is happening right now. So if I click on this, you can see that it's going to create all those resources along with big IP, right? So it will use big IP Terraform AWS module, and also it will deploy all the required stuff here, right? And then within minutes, you will have big IP ready. Yeah, so if you see here now, you can see that I paused it for a moment, and then I resumed it. So you can see that we already have deployed this big IP, right? And here, actually here you can see we have the big IP address as well as the password, right? So what we can do now is, right, so what we can do is take this IP and log in into big IP, right? So I can do, and take the password also. Oh, this is the password. I can take this, and let's look at what all we have what all we have on this big IP, right? So if you look at the packages, you already have all the packages loaded on the big IP, right? And it's pretty much ready to use. Okay. So now in next video, we'll talk about how we can create this particular module, right? How we can basically create this module on Terraform Cloud. Thanks for watching.